So at I Can Make Shoes, we have three main lasts. We've got our flat last, our mid-height last, and our high heel last. And those lasts obviously come in lots of different sizes. So as you can see, the flat last is what we would use to make a flat shoe. Now, as you can see at the front, it's raised a little bit, and that's what we call toe spring. So we don't actually walk completely flat-footed. We like to have a little bit of movement so that we can walk a bit more naturally. The other reason is because even though this is going to make a flat shoe, quite often we like to have a little bit of a heel tip built up at the back of the heel, just to sort of elevate us off the floor a little bit more. The mid-last, when you sort of raise it, can accommodate a mid-height heel. I still like to have a little bit of toe spring there, but keep in mind, you can get away with having it sort of sit around about here as the absolute lowest and around about there as the absolute highest. But you don't want to be pushing that toe all the way down, because as you walk, it'll start pushing your foot really far forward down, which is really uncomfortable. And then we'll move on to the high heel last, which is a bit like the mid heel last, only higher. So you can see that the pitch of this last here is again much higher, and of course we would use this last to make a high heel on.